You will love the features of this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.